Hello friends, let's face it straight away. Do you still need to learn programming languages in 2024? The answer is always yes. Now, AI tools will make life of programmers way much easier, but still, for you to effectively use the code that you get from AI tools such as ChatGPT, you would have to need to know some of the core principles of programming. So, yes, the skill will be still needed in the foreseeable future. Now, I have done a lot of training over the years on technology such as Python, CSS, HTML, Java, even on YouTube. I've done it on YouTube. I've done it on Udemy. I've done it on Coursera and on many other learning platforms out there. This by far is my top pick when it comes to learning programming languages. The reason being that it is very thorough and it will teach you everything that you need in that particular language. So, and another thing is it's absolutely free. It is completely free. You don't need to pay anybody, and you can learn it on your own pace. So the website is edube.org, and this is the where you can see the courses. So you can learn HTML and CSS, Python, C++, JavaScript, and you can choose to be if you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And also, let's say you want to learn from Python Institute. So let's go with Python. You have all these 8 courses of Python. You have your essentials. It will tell you the basics, the second one, then advanced. It will take you where you want to go. And I have taken these courses over the years, and these are absolutely phenomenal. You do not have to know Python to get started. They will teach you. They'll also give you an interactive environment where you write your code, so you don't need to download anything. All you need is to just get started. For example, let's say I want to get started in JavaScript and I am a beginner. So here's my JavaScript, and when I open it up, it will start me on essentials, and it's going to have 40 hours of study, which is basically probably 2 weeks of study, and it will teach you introduction to the JavaScript, and also give you a chance to write as entry-level JavaScript programmer. This is powerful and is absolutely free. Now, another way you can learn programming for free is when you use tools such as ChatGPT. But I have also played around to see how good ChatGPT can take you when you are learning as an absolute beginner. My conclusion is that ChatGPT is a very good tool when you are learning as a beginner. But sometimes, let's say this is my ChatGPT, and let's say I say to ChatGPT, teach me um, Python programming as an absolute beginner, and be thorough in the tutorial. So I run this code. All right. So of course it will start you on the beginning, and it will take you to other links and the installation and all those. Right. Then it will take you to hello world. Right. So now look at this now. It gives you the print statement. Now there are many variations to the print statement. There's a lot of things that you can do in the print statement. Now, ChatGPT does not even bother to tell you those. It just gives you from print statement and straight away goes to variables. There's a lot that you can do with the variables. It does not teach you um, what you can do with the variables. It just introduces the concept, but it's not as thorough as this edube.org. It will tell you everything that you do with the print statement, and it will walk you step by step, one step at a time to get where you want. So that's the reason I choose this, and you can learn everything and it goes. Look at this. Let's say you want to learn file processing. It will take you 21 hours explaining you everything that you need. in file processing. So it will talk about SQLite, XML, CSVs, logging, and this is very thorough and it's absolutely free. Do not pay for programming language. All you need to pay, even in all IT courses, is the certification. As far as learning is concerned, always learn for free. If you are paying to learn, you are doing something wrong. Go where you can have free learning and only pay for certification exams. Thank you for watching. And whilst you're here, let me just tell you something else here. So here you can learn from Python Institute. So you can toggle to learn from Python Institute, and you want to learn Python. So these are courses from Python Institute only, and you can learn straight from JavaScript Institute, and you can do their courses. So it's absolutely free. And now, since there are people who want to have their own IDE, I will also advocate to choose Anaconda. So this is the Anaconda Navigator. If you download the Anaconda Navigator, it will give you the tools that you need for, let's say, Python programming, even for JavaScript. So you can install your PyCharm, you can install Jupyter Notebook, and you can still work along with RStudios. We can have VS Code. So Jupyter Anaconda Navigator is absolutely free. And let's say I want to work with Python code, I can just do Jupyter Notebook. And when it's open, I'm going to show you that. And again, this is absolutely free. For those who want to get started in IT, please, 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 do not pay any money. It's all about your will, your determination, and your drive to learn, and you don't need to pay anybody your hard-earned money. So let me go again, open. It's gonna take forever here. Alrighty. I don't know why it's not launching, but you can learn Jupyter Notebook for free. You can still install PyCharm Community Edition, which is absolutely free. VSC Code, you can still run your Python code in VS Code, which is absolutely free. Pay $0 to learn, and yeah, there it is. It's up now. Pay $0 to learn, and the reason why we learn these skills is that we want to maximize our return on investment. Education is an investment. So if you learn for free, your return to your investment will be higher because the cost of learning it will only be time, not the actual paying for cost. Even on Udemy, do not pay those $20 on Udemy, $40 on Udemy. This is still high cost. Learn for free and maximize your earning potential. And another thing that if you go on, yeah, it's a pathway you can learn entry level, associate level, professional level. And another thing is you can also get careers and certification on this what you call it, on this website. So it will be very good. So yes, my Jupyter Notebook is up. And I am going to close some of this just to get it to be a little bit faster. And you can start coding. So it's just a matter of will, dedication, drive, the goal, the hunger to get this skill. JavaScript for free, and we know that JavaScript programmers, Python programmers, C++, C# programmers, they earn six figures. So it's just a matter of you getting out of your comfort zone, getting to learn these skills. I'm gonna go. Yeah, there it is. It's up now. So here's my Jupyter Notebook. I've already installed R and Python, and this is absolutely for free. And I've just opened a new Python file, but I have a lot of Python files that I will open here that I was working on. Let's say, for example, this one. So take a look, and I don't know why it's super slow today. All right, it's gonna open. There you go. So you can write your code. This was one of my deep learning model that I was playing around with, but this is absolutely free. Do not pay anything to when you're learning IT skills. ChatGPT is there for you. Edube.com Python Institute is there for you. Anything that you want is up here. Know where to go to find the resources. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.